Check out this Chrysler 2020 300 Touring. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include silver mist clear coat, tires, 245/45 R20 BSWS performance, sport appearance package included, Firestone brand tires, gloss black DLO surround molding, compact spare tire, black noise wing badges, black insert wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 inches black noise aluminum, WHG, black chrome surround 300S grille, black LED tail lamps, gloss black front fascia applique tires, 245/45 R20 BSWS performance, black headlamp bezels, black noise 300 badge, wheels, 20-inch x 8.0 black noise aluminum, WHG, transmission, 8-speed automatic 8 horsepower 50 Saltoman Principi Dobras, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT.